Hello, my name is David, inventor of the ForcedG.R.I.T magnetic sanding system, built by a tech Vortex. This is the best block for auto body and paint repair. No block gives you flatter results faster, with no rework needed. It features a magnetic dial that adjusts the grip performance on the fly. No sandpaper changes required, delivering some of the fastest repair performances ever available today. It works on steel, plastic, and aluminum. Using a 10-plate backing for full magnetic alignment, giving you self-correcting, ultra-flat refinishes every time. To learn more about our product, visit us at www.forcedgritsanding.com. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you for your time.